Have you ever wondered what truly happens when you close your eyes and drift off to sleep? Many people think of sleep as a simple shutdown, a period of inactivity where your body and brain just rest, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Sleep is, in fact, a time of intense and highly organized brain activity. Far from being a luxury, it is a fundamental biological necessity, as crucial for your survival as eating or breathing. Your brain doesn't power down. It shifts into a different, incredibly busy mode. This nightly process is absolutely vital for clear thinking, effective emotional regulation, and your overall well-being. Without adequate sleep, your ability to learn, remember, and even make good decisions is severely compromised. It's the foundation for a healthy, functioning mind. Ignoring sleep's importance can lead to serious consequences. Chronic sleep deprivation isn't just about feeling tired. It's linked to a wide array of health problems, including impaired immune function, increased risk of chronic diseases, and significant mental health challenges. Prioritizing sleep is an investment in your future. Your journey through the night isn't a straight line. It unfolds in repeating cycles of distinct sleep stages. These stages are characterized by different patterns of brain activity, heart rate, and muscle tone. Each stage plays a unique and essential role in restoring your mind and body. Typically, one complete sleep cycle lasts about 90 minutes. Throughout a full night, you'll usually go through 4 to 6 of these cycles, each one contributing to the restorative power of sleep. Understanding these cycles helps us appreciate the complexity of what happens each night. The first stage of sleep is known as Stage 1, or N1. This is the lightest stage of non-REM sleep, often described as the transition from wakefulness to sleep. You might experience slow eye movements, muscle relaxation, and a feeling of drifting in and out of consciousness. Following Stage 1, you enter Stage 2, or N2. This is a deeper, yet still relatively light stage of sleep. During N2, your body temperature begins to drop, your heart rate slows down, and your brain waves become slower and more regular. This stage prepares your body for deeper rest. Next comes Stage 3, or N3, often referred to as deep sleep or slow-wave sleep. This is the most restorative stage of non-REM sleep, characterized by very slow brain waves called delta waves. It's incredibly difficult to wake someone during this stage. During deep sleep, your body undertakes significant repair and regeneration. Tissues grow and repair, hormones are released, and your immune system is strengthened. This is when your physical self gets a much-needed overhaul. Crucially, memory consolidation also begins during deep sleep. Your brain starts to process and store the information and experiences gathered throughout the day. It's a critical period for learning and retaining new knowledge. Finally, we have REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. This stage is distinct from the non-REM stages and is characterized by rapid eye movements, increased brain activity, and temporary muscle paralysis. It's a truly unique state. It is during REM sleep that dreams are most vivid, elaborate, and memorable. Your brain is highly active, sometimes even more so than when you are awake. This paradoxical state is essential for mental restoration. Despite the body's stillness, the brain in REM sleep is buzzing with activity, similar to its state during wakefulness. This high level of neural engagement suggests its profound importance for cognitive functions and emotional processing. While you're sleeping, your brain is far from idle. It's performing several critical functions that are impossible to do while you're awake. These processes are essential for learning, memory, emotional health, and even physical well-being. They are the unsung heroes of your nightly rest. One of the most vital functions is memory consolidation, which primarily occurs during deep sleep. Your brain doesn't just passively store memories, it actively works to solidify them. This is a complex process that transforms fragile new memories into stable long-term ones. During this time, your brain replays neural activity patterns that occurred throughout the day. It's like an internal review session, reinforcing the connections associated with recent experiences and learning. This replay helps to embed information more deeply. This process strengthens important neural connections, making memories more robust and accessible. Simultaneously, your brain prunes away irrelevant or weak connections, optimizing its storage capacity and efficiency. It's a sophisticated system of organization. Think of it as an overnight study session for your brain. While you sleep, your brain is diligently working to review and integrate everything you've learned and experienced. This makes sleep indispensable for academic success and skill development. Another groundbreaking discovery is the brain's cleaning system, known as the glymphatic system. This system is largely active only during sleep, performing a crucial detoxification role. It's like your brain's personal waste disposal unit. The glymphatic system clears metabolic waste products that accumulate in the brain throughout the day. This includes harmful proteins like beta amyloid, which is strongly linked to the development of Alzheimer's disease. Regular clearing is vital for brain health. To facilitate this cleaning, brain cells actually shrink slightly during sleep. This creates more space between them, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow more freely and wash away toxins. It's a remarkable feat of biological engineering. This process functions as a nightly shower for your brain, ensuring it wakes up refreshed and free of harmful buildup. Without this nightly cleanse, toxins can accumulate, potentially leading to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases over time. Finally, sleep plays a profound role in emotional regulation, particularly during REM sleep. This stage is crucial for processing and integrating emotional experiences from your waking hours. It helps you make sense of your feelings. During REM sleep, your brain replays emotional experiences, but in a dreamlike context that is often less intense than the original event. This allows you to revisit and process feelings without being overwhelmed by their full emotional charge. It's a safe space for emotional work. This nightly emotional processing helps to soothe raw emotions and reset your mood. It's like your brain provides emotional first aid, allowing you to wake up feeling more balanced and resilient. This is why a good night's sleep can make a bad day feel less daunting. By processing emotional memories, sleep helps to reduce their intensity and integrate them into your broader emotional landscape. This contributes significantly to your mental well-being and ability to cope with stress. Dreams are one of the most mysterious and fascinating aspects of sleep, offering a unique window into the workings of your sleeping brain. While we've made great strides in understanding sleep, the exact purpose of dreams is still being actively studied by scientists. However, various theories suggest that dreams serve multiple important purposes. Some believe they are a way for the brain to process emotions, helping us to come to terms with daily experiences and feelings. Dreams can be a powerful emotional outlet. Other theories propose that dreams are a form of problem solving, allowing your brain to work through challenges or dilemmas in a creative, uninhibited way. You might wake up with a solution to a problem you were struggling with the day before. Some evolutionary psychologists suggest that dreams might be a way of rehearsing threats or dangerous situations in a safe environment. This could be a survival mechanism, preparing us for potential real-world dangers. Another popular theory posits that dreams are simply the random activation of memories and thoughts, which your brain then attempts to weave into a coherent story. This explains the often bizarre and illogical nature of dreams. Regardless of their precise purpose, dreams undeniably showcase the brain's incredible creativity and capacity for imagination. They demonstrate how your mind can construct entire worlds and narratives from fragmented thoughts and emotions. During dreaming, the logical parts of your brain, such as the prefrontal cortex, tend to quiet down. This allows for a more free-flowing, less inhibited thought process. It's why dreams often defy the rules of reality. Conversely, areas of the brain associated with emotion and visual imagery light up during dreams. This heightened activity in these regions contributes to the vivid, often emotionally charged, and visually rich experiences we have while dreaming. While sleep is a beautifully orchestrated process, it can sometimes go awry, leading to various disruptions that impact its restorative power. These interruptions can significantly affect your brain's ability to perform its vital nightly functions. Common nighttime occurrences like nightmares, sleepwalking, and night terrors are examples of sleep disruptions. While often harmless, they indicate a disturbance in the normal progression of sleep stages. They can be unsettling for both the sleeper and those around them. More serious are sleep disorders such as insomnia, sleep apnea, and narcolepsy. These conditions fundamentally disrupt the natural sleep cycles, preventing the brain from achieving the deep, restorative sleep it needs. They require professional attention. These disruptions can lead to a cascade of negative effects, including significant memory problems and difficulty concentrating. Your brain simply doesn't get the chance to consolidate memories or clear out waste effectively. They also contribute to mood issues, such as irritability, anxiety, and depression. When your emotional regulation system is compromised by poor sleep, it's harder to manage daily stressors. Your emotional resilience diminishes. Furthermore, chronic sleep disruptions are linked to various physical health risks, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and a weakened immune system. Sleep is truly foundational to overall health. Scientists measure brain activity during sleep using electroencephalography, or EEG, which records electrical signals in the brain. These signals appear as waves, and their patterns change depending on your state of consciousness. When you are awake and alert, your brain produces fast, low-amplitude beta waves. These waves are associated with active thinking, problem-solving, and concentration. They signify a highly engaged brain. As you relax and become drowsy, your brain shifts to producing alpha waves. These waves are slower and have a higher amplitude than beta waves, indicating a state of calm wakefulness or light meditation. During stage 1 of sleep, your brain activity slows further, characterized by theta waves. These waves are even slower and larger than alpha waves, marking the initial descent into sleep. Deep sleep, or stage 3, is dominated by very slow, high-amplitude delta waves. These are the slowest brain waves and are indicative of profound rest and restoration. This is when your brain is truly recharging. Finally, during REM sleep, the brain exhibits a unique pattern of fast, mixed-frequency waves. This activity is so similar to wakefulness that REM sleep is often called paradoxical sleep. Despite the body's paralysis, the brain is incredibly active and engaged. Given the incredible work your brain does each night, it's clear that supporting its sleep processes is paramount for your overall health and academic success. Small changes in your daily routine can make a huge difference. One of the most effective ways to support your sleeping brain is to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural circadian rhythm. Creating an optimal sleep environment is also crucial. Ensure your bedroom is dark, cool, and quiet. Darkness signals to your brain that it's time to produce melatonin, the sleep hormone. A cool temperature aids in falling and staying asleep. Be mindful of what you consume, especially later in the day. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and evening, as its stimulating effects can linger for hours and disrupt your sleep architecture. Alcohol might make you feel drowsy, but it fragments sleep and reduces REM. Limiting screen time before bed is another vital step. The blue light emitted from phones, tablets, and computers can suppress melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Try to power down at least an hour before bedtime. Instead, practice relaxing activities before sleep. This could include reading a physical book, taking a warm bath, listening to calming music, or practicing gentle stretching or meditation. These activities signal to your body and brain that it's time to wind down. Remember, sleep is not a luxury you can afford to cut back on. It is a powerful tool for brain health and overall well-being. Prioritizing sleep is one of the best investments you can make in your cognitive function, emotional stability, and physical health. By understanding what truly happens to your brain at night and taking steps to support these vital processes, you empower yourself to learn better, feel better, and live a healthier, more fulfilling life. Give your brain the sleep it deserves.